Hello and welcome to Miller Realty Group's Talk of the Town Carolinas, a weekly video series featuring life in the Carolinas. I'm your host, Patty Mercer. Hey, if you're thinking of buying or selling your home, remember to call Carmen Miller or simply visit CarolinaHomeSearch.com. While you're there, you can see past episodes of Talk of the Town Carolinas. Do you love chili? Do you love supporting kids? Well, you're going to love cooking for the kids. We're going to find out what it's all about. Come on, righty. It's that time of year, and of course, I'm talking chili. I'm with Scott Patterson and Donna Jackley, Foundation for Fort Mill Schools. So let's get the skinny. So when's this happening?
This is on Saturday, March 7th at Nation Fort High School.
Okay.
From 11 until 2. Doors open for chili tasters to come on in at 10:45.
Wow, okay, the big chili cook-off, and the exact name, I know there's a special way that you say it. The title of this event is?
Cooking for the Kids.
Cooking for the Kids. I love it. And that's what it really is, because you invite the community to come in and do some cooking for the kids.
Absolutely. And it's not too late if you have a team that you want to enter into the Showdown. Please just visit our Foundation for Fort Mill Schools webpage and register from there. The more the merrier. We love our community teams, but we also have a tremendous group from our Fort Mill School District too.
Yes, and so I gather this is competitive. It's not just about cooking for the kids. There's a little incentive to do your best.
Absolutely. There's a new category this year as kind of our main award this year. It's called the Cha-Ching for Chili.
Cha-ching.
That's right.
Just like that? Oh,
That's right.
Make it rain.
Each school, each team is raising money for the foundation, and so there'll be an award at the end of the day to the team that raises the most money. And these people are crazy. They're all kind of different
In the
ways.
best way, right?
In the best way, absolutely. They're very, very creative. We've seen chickens. We've seen dinosaurs. We've seen it's crazy.
Sightings happening.
Lots of Elvises.
Oh, Elvis has been in the building.
Elvises we have. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
my
He's left the building now, but he may come back. Who knows? But they kick it up a notch every year, and they take it to a whole nother level, and they just have such a great time. And we're just glad that we can kind of be a part of that.
Yes.
Because whatever we raise that day helps fund what we do.
And let's talk about what you do.
Absolutely. Well, I'll be glad to. So it helps us with, our Classroom Ready project, which is an amazing project where we provide school supplies for those kids in need in the Fort Mill School District, and it also helps with our Innovative Classroom Teacher Grants that we supply, or that we put out there for our teachers and our principals, professional development grants, and so. We've done a lot of things the past few years, and so we're very proud of our foundation and what we can do to make an incredible impact for our school district. And so, we're excited about this event again this year.
Well, just like a great, delicious chili recipe, there's a lot of great ingredients that go into making our school district what it is.
Absolutely.
And the Foundation for Fort Mill Schools, the parent volunteers, are in that list of ingredients. Now, we've talked about the little spoon. You've got tickets in your hand too.
So this year, one of the new facets of this event is with your $10 entry fee, you will get an wristband as such. And that way, when you go from team to team, everybody will know that you have paid your entry fee.
Which is very important.
Absolutely. And you can taste as much chili as you want. So multiple cups, not just a one cup. Okay. So these cups will be at every station. So you can go and taste all the chilies for that $10 entry fee. Hence the little spoons, because that's a lot of chili to taste in one day. And then our tickets that we are showing here, this is a new way where we are designating our first, second, and third People's Choice Award winners.
Yes.
So you will get these tickets when you pay your $10 entry fee to enter the event. And when you are done tasting as much as you like, you will put the tickets into the boxes based upon first, second, or third of who you like the most. And we will announce that at the end of the event as well.
That sounds like so much fun. No judgment. You can eat as much chili as you want. Now, I think of chili in a traditional way. You've seen chickens, you've seen Elvis. How does that reflect in the recipes? A little concerned.
Some fun ones, actually. There was one year that had, I want to say, gator in it.
So how many teams do you have now, currently?
We have currently 17 teams and counting.
Okay.
Because we keep getting more teams entering every day. I think we had 2 more enter today, as a matter of fact.
Oh, my goodness.
Yes.
Well, it's a great cause. You've been doing it how long?
What's our 5th or 6th year? Yep. So
You know what you're doing. It's at Nation Ford High School this year, and you're kind of you share the love.
We are. Next year we'll be at Catawba Ridge, but we've done 2 years. Well, we did 3 years at Fort Mill High School, 2 years at NAFO, and then we'll be at Catawba Ridge at the brand new high school next year.
Okay, so what's new this year? I mean, I know we've talked about great things, but what maybe has been done in the past that is not going to be done, but is new this year?
Well, everyone is voting on the chili this year, so we aren't going to have our special group of judges this year.
Okay.
They were wonderful and dedicated. Yes, they are. But that was a lot of chili for a few people to eat.
Yeah.
So that's different. The $10 all you can eat is huge, and that's capped at a $35 maximum per family. So if you have a larger family, please know that this is very much an affordable event, and children 12 and under are free. So
Sweet.
that's great as well.
Okay.
And then we have our choral performances again. We have children's activities in the media center. And then our STEAM group, because that's a huge initiative here in the Fort Mill School District, they are going to showcase their summer camps. So you can come on out and see, hey, what can I sign my child up for this summer and keep everybody busy but still thinking. Yeah.
My goodness, you are so involved in our schools and doing so much. Is there anything that you want to share that I haven't covered?
No, I just think we've learned every year, and I think hopefully this year we've got the right formula to kind of streamline everything for everybody to come in, and it's just another great way to bring our school community together. All the different schools can come together and have a great time together. And at the end of the day, we're raising money that we're going to be putting back into the school district, and that's the great thing. So
it's fun for everybody, no matter what school you go to. If you're Fort Mill School District, if you're in the area visiting, come on by and have
pride, because you can kind of kick up the award thing there for your school. So.
Okay.
Because we'll be taking money that day as well in the little boxes instead of just the tickets. They got a chance to put some money in there too. So
some healthy competition is always good.
Absolutely. And you can also bring your credit card, because we have credit card machines if you want to make a donation bigger than what's in your wallet.
Which is,
we can help you out
just
with that.
saying.
Yeah, if you want.
You want.
we will take your money any way we can.
Absolutely.
It's going to be a great day, and I hope everybody will take a chance to get out there. And again, the time?
11 to 2 for the actual chili tasting. We'll close down tasting probably a little bit before then, because we need to have time to tally all the funds and announce the winners. But come on out. Doors open at 10:45, and you'll really enjoy tasting lots of chili.
Well, that's it for this edition of Miller Realty Group's Talk of the Town Carolinas. If you're thinking of buying or selling your home, remember to call Carmen or simply visit CarolinaHomesearch.com. While you're there, you can see past episodes of Talk of the Town Carolinas. Hey, when it comes to supporting our kids, do it. Cooking for the kids. Make sure you're there. Until next time, I'm Patty Mercer. Bye-bye.